Hey guys, it's me, Tina Marie, with True Meaning of Radiance. I'm super excited about this video because today's video is an unboxing. Yes, guys, I am unboxing for you guys a luxury perfume. I've been hinting at it on my Instagram for a minute. If you follow my Instagram, TMR2886, okay? I've been hinting to you guys that I am going luxury. Yes, I am getting into luxury brands. Does that mean I'm stopping Bath and Body Works and telling them, girl, too good? No, doesn't mean that at all. I love fragrance, okay? High and low and all ends. I just absolutely love fragrances, and I love smelling good. I love looking good. I just absolutely love the place that a fragrance can take you to, a point of your life it can take you to, and just the vibe. Like, seriously, I absolutely love the vibe of a good fragrance. So today's video is an unboxing of something I got from Belk, okay? And I watched so many videos on it, and I was like, you know what? I'm going to take the plunge, and I'm going to go ahead and order it. And y'all, this is why my nail's messed up, because I'm using my nail, okay? So open the package. But I want y'all to experience this with me. I know y'all want a review on the DIPTIQUE and the Tiffany and all that I got, and the Malone. And don't worry, those videos will be coming because I'm so excited about those items. I'm just waiting on a few more things. And I got a request to do a video on Macari, and I'm about to do that video after this video. So you're probably gonna see this look of no makeup and looking a mess all week long. And I'm sorry guys, but I gotta do things when I got time, okay? But yeah, this is my box from Belk. Can I get a thumbnail, guys? So yeah, this is it. This is her. Can you guess what it is? It's not Clinique. I don't know why they're even telling me about it. But this is the Lancôme Paris. This is the IDOLE from Lancôme. So I'm thinking it's IDOLE. Y'all let me know in the comments below. You know who put me onto this a couple months ago? It was Kiko Beauty. She put me onto this. I smelled it in where was I? Ulta, and I was like, ooh, this nice. But yeah, this is what I got. This is just the gift set, guys. So you get the perfume and you get the case. It's normally $110 or $115. Of course, you know your girl ain't paid that. I paid $75 for this. Even though I'm trying to go luxury, y'all, I'm so cheap. I don't even know why I'm even doing it, because I'm so cheap. But this perfume is the 1.7, and of course the case. And I love the way it's packaged. It's really cute. And you just open it. Are you guys ready? Oh, what is this? Oh my God, it's a security tag. How did they leave a security tag on this? I guess I could take it off though, because it came to my house. It ain't like I'm taking it back into Belk, because Belk is too far away from me. But it looks just like this. Ooh. And this is, again, the 1.7. This is supposed to be the world's thinnest perfume bottle. Look at that. Oh my goodness. It is hard for it to stand on its own. A lot of people said it doesn't stand on its own, so you need the little stand for it. But since I don't have the stand, I'm happy I have the case. In the case, it's kind of like a phone case to keep it protected. So I'm trying to get the case out of here if I can. Oh, look at that. The case opens up. So you put the perfume inside the case, you close it up, and bam, your perfume is protected. That is so cute. But it reminds me of a phone case though. Hello? Girl, I'm just over here being fancy. Yeah, girl. Yeah, girl. Luxury what? Okay, luxury who? Okay. Tax money, baby. I'm just playing, y'all. I'm on a PATH Act. I don't even get my taxes until after the 14th. But anyway, this is what it looks like. And I think the case is really, really nice to keep it secure. Can I open it again? Yeah, it opens from up here. Can I get it open? Tina. Guys, I don't know how to open it. Guys, I don't know how to open it. Let me figure this out real quick. Oh, there it goes. It opens from right there. So I'm going to go ahead and spray it because I keep showing it to you. I might as well spray it. and give you guys the notes. Oh, and it says Lancôme right there. So super fancy. The top comes off like that, and I'm just going to spray and let me smell. This is so good. Y'all, this smells so good. I like it a lot. It gives like, you can get this hint of floral, but like a sweet floral. Oh, I can dig it. I like it a lot. Yes, and it doesn't take a lot because I sprayed a little bit and it is strong. It got this like powderiness to it, you know what I mean? Oh, this is what luxury is. This is nice, y'all. Let me see if it gives the notes in it. Translate real quick, okay? It says Jasmine Absolute. Oh, here it is in English right here. Got him. It says Jasmine Absolute Radical Rose Essence Clean Cypre Accord. I think that like a Honda Accord. Okay, I know about a Honda Accord. Okay, 1990 Honda, last you a lifetime, boo. But yeah, you know what I'm saying. But it smells amazing. Okay, yes. Y'all need to get this. I'm gonna leave the information to Belk's website below. Y'all about to be mad at me because I'm about to have y'all buy some perfumes. I'm gonna have y'all going into Tiffany's. I'm gonna have y'all on Joe Malone, y'all. But yeah, I really do like this fragrance. It smells really, really good. This one, I can wear it anytime. I don't think it has to be a certain place that I will wear this perfume. I'll wear it to church. This is really something I smell at ladies at church. You know, when you go in for the hug, come on and hug your neighbor. This is what I be smelling on some of the ladies. Like, yes, I do be smelling it on some of the ladies at church. And this is a scent that my aunt, it smells similar to something she wears to church on Sundays. So yeah, this isn't too overpowering. This isn't too bam in your face. This is really, really nice. But to me, this is something I would wear to church. I would wear this to church on Sunday because when they can say, go in and reach your neighbor, they ain't going to have to smell me in Bath and Body Works. Now I'm going to smell like the church ladies that's on the usher board, okay? I'm going to smell like the lady on the usher board, okay? And I'm going to smell so good. Like, you can wear this to work too. I ain't even going to play. I'm going to wear this to work too. Like, this is good. I give this a 10 out of 10 because I'm new to fragrance, okay? I'm lying, y'all. This is really good though. I give it a real good score because it's like a 7 or an 8. But when I wear it some more, I can let you know about longevity and all that jazz because I don't know. We just unboxed this together, so I don't know anything about the longevity of it. I don't know about everywhere I will wear it to yet. I just know how I feel about it right in the moment because this is a first impressions. It'll take a moment for me to get used to reviewing high-end things because I'm not used to it. But y'all, I'm silly, period. So whatever I do, I'm gonna be silly. I don't care high-end, low-end, medium-end. I'm gonna be silly about my review. I don't care if it costs $10. I don't care if it costs $1,000. I'm gonna be me, and that's what I like to be, which is me, which is silly and funny, and that's just how I am. So welcome to the channel. If you're new to the channel, if you've been for a minute, hey girl, hey. We like to act a fool on this channel, okay? We love fragrances, but we like to act a fool. And now we're starting to get into a little bit of luxury on this channel. So this is about to be a lot of fun. So if you are excited about me doing luxury videos with my Bath and Body Works, because Bath and Body ain't going nowhere, son. That started it all. So it ain't going nowhere. But if you're excited about new series that we're going to be doing with luxury items, definitely let me know in the comments below. If there's a luxury brand you want me to try out because I'm new and I'm just getting into this thing, let me know. But don't tell me to buy something that costs $300-400 because I'm gonna look at you like, girl, is you gonna buy it? Because I ain't buying it. But I ain't got my tax money or whatever. So, you know, you can buy it and I'll pay you back my tax money. When someone say they gonna pay you back with their tax money, they ain't gonna pay. Judge Mathis always say that. When somebody say they're gonna pay you back with their taxes, they not gonna pay you back. Judge Mathis say it all the time. But Yeah, I'm just joking. But I'm gonna get off here. I hope you enjoyed this little overview and unboxing of one of my very first luxury perfumes, one of many. And definitely comment below. Let me know what you want to see next on my luxury series. I love you guys, and I'll see you in the next one. Bye, guys.